When it comes to tackling home improvement projects, repairs, or renovations, having the right tools is essential. But investing in individual tools can be costly and time-consuming. That's where all-in-one power tool kits come in. These kits are designed to give you everything you need in one package, offering convenience and saving you money. In this video, we're going to dive into 7 of the best all-in-one power tool sets available today. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, these kits are sure to meet your needs and help you get the job done efficiently. That's all. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. The DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit stands out as a complete, top-tier solution for both professionals and DIYers. It includes a powerful drill, an impact driver, a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, and a work light, giving you the versatility to tackle a wide variety of projects. The kit also features two 20V Max batteries, ensuring you won't run out of power halfway through a task. In terms of design, DEWALT's ergonomic approach makes these tools easy to handle for extended use without causing strain. The tools themselves are compact but packed with power, featuring brushless motors that increase efficiency, extend battery life, and reduce maintenance needs. Durability is another major highlight. DEWALT is known for producing high-quality tools that can withstand rough conditions on job sites. The quality of this kit is evident in its construction. The impact driver delivers excellent torque for driving screws, while the drill provides precise control and reliable performance in drilling tasks. The reciprocating saw and circular saw are both highly effective for cutting through wood, plastic, and metal, making this kit a versatile powerhouse.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. CRAFTSMAN V20 Max Power Tool Combo Kit. Next up is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Max Power Tool Combo Kit, a set that combines affordability with quality. This kit features a drill driver, an impact driver, a circular saw, a reciprocating saw, and a LED work light, giving you a full range of tools to tackle both light-duty and heavy-duty tasks. The kit includes two 20V Max Lithium-Ion batteries, ensuring that you have enough power to keep working for hours. CRAFTSMAN is known for producing reliable tools, and this kit is no exception. The design of the tools is ergonomic, with soft grips that enhance comfort and reduce user fatigue during prolonged use. The tools are well balanced, allowing for better control and precision. Whether you're drilling, driving, or cutting, each tool in this combo provides solid performance. One of the highlights of the CRAFTSMAN V20 Max Combo Kit is its exceptional value. While it's priced affordably compared to some other premium brands, it doesn't compromise on quality. The impact driver is ideal for driving screws and bolts into tough materials, while the circular saw is robust enough to handle wood and other common materials. The reciprocating saw is especially useful for demolition tasks. Number 3. Milwaukee 18V Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. Milwaukee is a name synonymous with high-quality, heavy-duty tools, and the Milwaukee 18V Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit is no different. This combo kit features a hammer drill and an impact driver, both of which are essential for a variety of home improvement tasks. The hammer drill is ideal for drilling through tough materials like concrete and masonry. The tools in this kit are powered by Milwaukee's red lithium battery technology, which provides longer run times, more power, and superior durability. The kit includes two 18V batteries, so you can work continuously without worrying about downtime. The tools themselves are designed for maximum comfort, with ergonomic grips that reduce hand strain during use. The hammer drill and impact driver are also built with durability in mind, with a metal gear case and reinforced components that can withstand tough work environments. Milwaukee's M18 line is known for its exceptional performance, and this combo kit lives up to that reputation. Whether you're tackling tough construction projects or just need reliable tools for DIY tasks, the Milwaukee 18V Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit delivers the power and versatility you need. Number 4. Makita 18V Lithium-Ion Compact 2PC Combo Kit. Makita is known for its innovation and performance, and the Makita 18V Lithium-Ion Compact 2PC. Combo Kit is a testament to that. This compact yet powerful combo kit features a drill driver and an impact driver, both powered by Makita's 18V Lithium-Ion battery technology. These tools are lightweight and designed for ease of use, making them perfect for DIY enthusiasts or professionals who need a more compact tool set for everyday tasks. Despite the compact size of the tools, they don't skimp on performance. The drill driver is equipped with a 2-speed transmission, providing versatility in different drilling and driving applications. The impact driver delivers impressive torque for driving screws, making it perfect for tasks that require both power and precision. The Makita 18V Lithium-Ion Compact Combo Kit also features a built-in LED light, which is perfect for working in low-light conditions. The tools are designed with a soft grip handle for added comfort, and the compact design allows for easy storage and portability. Number 5. Greenworks 24V Power Tool Combo Kit. For those looking for an eco-friendly and affordable option, the Greenworks 24V Power Tool Combo Kit is a fantastic choice. This combo kit includes a drill, a reciprocating saw, and a circular saw, making it ideal for a wide variety of tasks around the house or workshop. The tools are powered by Greenworks 24V lithium-ion batteries, providing reliable performance and long-lasting power. The Greenworks tools are designed with ease of use in mind. They are lightweight and ergonomically designed, allowing for comfortable handling during extended periods of use. The drill offers a variable speed trigger, providing the user with control over the drilling process, while the reciprocating saw and circular saw are excellent for cutting through wood, plastic, and light metals. In terms of durability, Greenworks has done an excellent job ensuring that these tools are built to last. They have been engineered to withstand regular use, and the 24V lithium-ion batteries offer a long lifespan. Number 6. RYOBI P1819 18V 1+ Lithium-Ion Combo Kit. The RYOBI P1819 18V 1+ Lithium-Ion Combo Kit is another impressive option in the world of all-in-one power tool kits. This kit includes a drill driver, an impact driver, a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, and a work light, offering an excellent variety of tools to tackle any project. The kit is powered by RYOBI's 1+ 18V battery system, which is compatible with over 100 other RYOBI tools, adding versatility to the equation. The tools are designed with comfort in mind, featuring soft grip handles and lightweight designs that reduce user fatigue. The impact driver provides high torque for driving screws quickly and efficiently, while the drill lash driver offers precision and control. The reciprocating saw and circular saw are both powerful enough to cut through wood, metal, and other materials, making them versatile additions to your toolkit. One of the standout features of the RYOBI P1819 Combo Kit is its affordability. While it's priced lower than some of the more premium kits, it still delivers excellent performance. The included LED work light is another bonus, providing additional illumination for those tricky tasks in dimly lit spaces. So, number 7. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. Last but certainly not least is the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. This set includes a drill driver, an impact driver, a circular saw, and a reciprocating saw, making it a great choice for homeowners or DIY enthusiasts. The tools are powered by BLACK+DECKER's 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, providing consistent power throughout your projects. The design of the tools is ergonomic, with soft grip handles that offer comfort during extended use. The drill driver is perfect for general drilling and driving tasks, while the impact driver excels at driving screws into tough materials. The circular saw and reciprocating saw are both useful for cutting through wood, PVC, and light metal, giving you the flexibility to work on various projects. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Combo Kit is an excellent budget-friendly option for those who need reliable tools without breaking the bank. The tools are designed for durability, and the compact design makes them easy to store and transport. The included carrying bag ensures that everything stays organized and ready to go when you need it. There you have it, the 7 best all-in-one power tool sets that can take your projects to the next level. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, These kits offer the versatility, power, and durability you need to tackle a variety of tasks. Investing in an all-in-one power toolkit not only saves you time and money, but also ensures that you have the right tools for the job. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful.